is x square minus 9. I want us to look at this, that x square, this is a perfect square, okay? And then 9 is also a perfect square, because we know that the square root of 9, we know the square root of 9, and then we know the square root of x square, okay? So we can now use perfect square method. There's something called the perfect square when we are solving maths, that whenever you have two perfect squares simplify like this, okay, you try to take the square root of the first one, which is x. The square root of x square is x, okay? And then this sign, what we do is this. So we take the square root of the second person, that's 9. The square root of 9 is 3, okay? So the sign minus, like I told us, minus times plus is what? Minus, okay? This sign is minus, is a product. So we have to know that one of these signs will be carrying minus and the other one will be carrying plus. It's as simple as that, okay? So this is a perfect square, this is a perfect square, and there's a minus in between. That method works as long as this is the setting. As long as you have two perfect squares, a minus in between. This is a simple trick to do. Take the square root of the first, take the square root of the second, that's 3, okay? Now share these signs for them, okay? So the first person will be carrying minus 3, and then the second person will be carrying x plus 3. So this is it. This is such that whenever you open this bracket, you expand this bracket, or you simplify the bracket, you will arrive at x squared minus 9. Okay, you arrive at x squared minus 9. So don't forget this. Very, very important you know this. Okay, so you have x squared or y squared or z squared, as long as it's a perfect square, and then you have minus 9. Okay, or any other perfect square, 16, 25, or 4, like that. So you have perfect square attached, okay? And then there's a minus in between. This is what you do. Square root of the first one, square root of the second one. Now split this sign. Minus times plus is minus. So you have the splitting. Minus goes in one bracket, plus goes in the other bracket, okay? And then we are dividing by our denominator, which is constant, x plus 3. This is not a perfect square, okay? This is just x, this is just 3. Now we have something in common. Yes, this is x plus 3, this is x plus 3. So what is common can strike out each other, and then we are left with x minus 3. Are we together?